maqhama Afrika Borwa le Brithane a qadile kgale mo ba presidente ba mehleng Nelson Mandela, Thabo Mbeki le Jacob Zuma ba ileng ba etela Brithane ka dilemo tse latellanang.
I think that reflects the long history, the shared history between our countries, and indeed the modern day friendship and partnership. And that is what lies behind the decision that will be made to invite President Ramaphosa to make this visit to London next week.
Morena motjha wa Brithane le yena o etetse Afrika Borwa ka makgetlo-kgetlo.
There will be a lot of ceremony. There will be a ceremonial welcome for the President on what we call Horse Guards Parade in the centre of London. He will inspect a guard of honour with His Majesty the King. There will be the state banquet on Tuesday evening, hosted by His Majesty the King and the Queen Consort, and the President and the King will both make speeches there. But there will also be moments of real substance. The President will meet the Prime Minister on Wednesday next week for formal talks. They have met briefly in Sharm el-Sheikh at the beginning of last week at the COP27 summit, but this will be a chance to sit down and talk about the whole of our relationship.
Kontinenteng ya Afrika Borwa ke yona naha e nang le dikamano tse matla tsa kgwebo le Brithane.
Trade is still vibrant. It's one of our largest trading partners after China and the EU, but very deep and very broad relations with the UK. But as I said, they kind of copied what they had in the European Union in its agreement with Southern Africa.
Maqhama Afrika Borwa le Brithane a kenyeletsa tshebedisano puong ya Senyesemane, botjhaba le melao ya tsamaiso ya ditjhelete.